everyone, it's Shemaka Brios, and, well, I mean, Winter Storms. Yeah, I changed my username, and I'm gonna show you how to reverse a character movement. Since I'm the only girl who already found, I think I'm the girl who's the only, maybe I'm the only person who's making the tutorial that I'm going to make. Oh my god, I'm bad at talking! Okay, so all you need to do is, well, this is gonna be a short way and easy, so make sure to watch carefully. So you need to get a movement that you want to reverse, like this, or like a running cycle. And if it's upside down, use rotate or mirroring. Or if you're using the layer, you know what to do. Use the circle thing. So you go to reverse and wait for it to load. I know it's really slow. And don't cancel it. And follow the KineMaster rules, like please don't close KineMaster or turn off your device. Okay, there. And then you got your reverse. I know it's really weird. Well, if you had noises, you have to put extra audio and delete that audio, or hold up. All you have to do. So, if you have noises, you can use speed and turn on mute audio, or you can not extra on, but extra audio and delete that audio. And that's how you make it silent if you don't have a noise. If you have a noise. So that's all for this tutorial. I know that my voice is super cringy and cute, and I really know that it doesn't fit Lavia. And I'm not sure if you guys think that my voice will fit Lavia's. Yeah, you know that girl who battled Laura in the fighting scene? Yeah, that's her. And she's actually a wolf. So I hope you get this tutorial if you're really confused. Bye bye.